In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import Evernote into Notion. If you've been taking notes in Evernote and want to bring everything into Notion without rebuilding your system from scratch, this walkthrough will make the process simple and stress-free. Start by opening Notion on your desktop app or in your web browser. In the left-hand sidebar, look for Settings and Members. This is where Notion keeps most workspace controls and tools. If you manage more than one workspace, make sure you are in the right one before you continue, so your notes land in the place you expect. Inside Settings and Members, find the Import option. Notion supports several import sources, and Evernote is one of them. Click Import, then choose Evernote from the list. This tells Notion you want to connect to your Evernote account and pull content directly from your notebooks. Next, you'll be prompted to authenticate. Sign into your Evernote account and grant authorization so Notion can access your notes for the import. Double-check you are using the correct Evernote account, especially if you keep personal and work notes separate. If you have extra security enabled, be ready to approve the sign-in. The authorization step only gives Notion permission to read and copy your notes into your workspace. Once connected, Notion will show you your Evernote notebooks. Select the notebooks you'd like to import. You can bring in everything or just the specific notebooks you need right now. When you are happy with your selection, click Import. Keep in mind that complex formatting and large attachments may take longer, but Notion will do its best to preserve your content structure. Now, wait for the import to finish. The time this takes depends on how many notes and files you are moving over. It's best to keep Notion open and avoid closing your browser tab or the app until the process completes. When it's done, your imported notes will appear as pages inside a list database in Notion. You'll see them grouped together in your sidebar, and you can open any page to start working right away. After the import, take a quick tour through a few pages to make sure everything looks right. You can use the database's built-in tools to search, sort, and filter your notes and adjust views as needed to match your workflow. If something looks a bit different from Evernote, that's normal. Notion's structure is flexible, and you can reorganize as you go. That's it. You've successfully imported your Evernote content into Notion. Thanks for watching.